Hey, hey, boy. What's up? Dude.
Dog. Embodiment of passion and energy.
Oi, go. Oi, more passion, more passion, more passion, more energy, more footwork, more footwork.
Number 4. Don't touch his lil paws. He's got jujitsu training. Number 3. A fan spotted Pappy walking on his hind legs in Naperville, Illinois.
She saw him on the news. Get it? The whole thing?
Saw you on the
Did you tape the whole thing?
I got some of it.
Number 2. Why are my hands short? Number 1. He was so excited.
You ready to show off?
Get it.